Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 4 assignment of the course, The Joy of Computing Using Python. So guys, for the past 5 years, we have been providing solutions for various NPTEL courses, including Joy of Computing Using Python as well. So guys, these are completely our probable solutions. So in the past, we have given maximum probably correct solutions guys. So almost 99% correct solutions without any wrong answer in the week 2 assignment. So we'll try to continue that. So guys, please watch the video till the end. Don't skip the video guys, because if you skip the video you may miss some content. So do watch full video. So let's see the first question. Which of the following options provides the general formula for the magic constant of a magic square of size n where all the elements are distinct numbers from 1 to n square? So for first question, I have got two probable solutions. The first one is first option, n of n square plus 1 by 2, and the same reflects in the last option as well, because here the n is in the denominator and n is multiplied in numerator. So same formula, right? We are expanding, we are multiplying the n with the every element within the brackets. So both are same formula. So fourth option is the extended one for the first option, right? So first and last options are the probable solutions. Now let's move on to the second solution. What would the magic constant be for a magic square of size 7 given that all elements in the square are distinct numbers from 1 to 49? So for second question, third option 175 is the probable solution guys. So mark option third option as the probable solution for second question. So guys, now let's move on to the third question. Guys, these are completely our probable solutions. If there are any changes that come to our notice, definitely we will update that in the comment section guys. And if you feel there should be any change of the solution, you can propose the solution guys in the same comment section. So third question. So guys, the programming assignment solutions will also be given in the same video. So please watch the video till the end. So please definitely subscribe our channel guys. Definitely like the video. Then only our videos will reach other needful students as well, so that they will also get benefited like you, right? And please definitely share this with your friends and classmates. Does transposing any magic square change the sum across some rows or columns or diagonal? It is no guys, no. Next, moving on to the fourth question. Which of the following are valid magic squares? So for first question, all these options are correct. So all these four are magic squares, right? Next, fifth question. What is the minimum number of people required to ensure that at least 3 of them share the same 30-minute birth interval? The interval starts from 12 a.m. and each interval lasts for half an hour. So for fifth question, it is 97 guys. Next, sixth question. Calculate the magic constants for 5 by 5 square. So from 1 to 25. Is it same as magic constant for the Ramanujan's magic square? So what is the absolute difference? So the answer is 50 guys. Next, seventh one. So before getting into the seventh question, I want to make a small announcement guys. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. So for the course The Joy of Computing Using Python, we have collected past NPTEL assignment MCQs along with the solutions guys, with 5 years of NPTEL experience. Here you are going to get a huge number of 125 MCQs guys. 125 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So for one person it is 150 guys. For 5 persons combinedly 500 guys. So you can save more amount of money if you share the same access with 5 persons, right? So please ask your friends. So please tell them regarding this PDF. So please request your friends and form a group of at least 5 persons as a group, and get it for at least least price of 500 rupees only combinedly, guys. If you are one person, you have to pay for 150 rupees, right? So already many students have taken our package, so take it now itself so that you can get more time to prepare at the end. So this is the mail id, guys, bk179417@gmail.com. So mail me to this email id. If you're confirmed to, only if you're confirmed to make the payment, then only mail us, guys, because many genuine students are waiting for our reply. So we have to set everyone in the priority order. So mail me to this email id. We will give the same email id in the description box as well, guys. So for one person it is 150 rupees. For 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees, guys. So this is the 125 MCQs you are going to get. So this is the mail id, guys. So now let's get back to the solutions. So the validity will be till the exam results day, guys. So seventh question: what task does mystery one function perform? So the answer is fourth option. Calculate factors of number n excluding n. Next, eighth one. So for what n1 and n2 pair, the variable flag inside mystery2 be equal to true. So first three options, I am going with the first three options, guys. Next, ninth one. If all possible pairs of prime numbers between 0 and 10 are given to n1 and n2, for how many pairs would 2 print completed? So for ninth question, fourth option is the probable solution, guys. It will not print completed for any pair. And before moving into the 10th question, I will give the solutions for programming assignment as well. So this is programming assignment 1, guys. So I will show you the code now so you can note it down. So I will zoom this for you for your convenience. So this is the code, guys. Definition, so DEF. So don't forget the rules regarding indentation. So once check it, guys. So this is the code for the first question, right? So this will work 100%, guys. So we have already checked the code. So this is the code. So do follow the indentation rules exactly. So you can take a screenshot of this or you can pause the video here and note down the code. So now let's move on to the second code, guys. So now I will show you the second one. So programming assignment 2. So guys, try to please concentrate on this. So it's a big code. So 24 lines. So do follow the indentation, guys. So it is very important here in this code. So this is the code. So definition, transpose matrix comma R comma C, right? So this is the entire code, guys. So take a snapshot of this and do follow the indentation rules. So I'm making this video very quick because we have to provide both objective solutions and programming assignment solutions in single video, right? So hope you have noted it down, guys. So now I will show you the last programming assignment solution, right? Yes, let's move on to the next one. So this is third programming assignment and this is the solution, guys. So this is the solution. So you can take a snapshot, guys. So do follow indentation rules. So now let's get back to the objective solutions. Hope you have noted it down, right? So right, guys. So last question and 10th. So before getting into this 10th question, just I want to make you remember. So we are providing a huge number of 125 MCQs, guys, in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So these are past NPTEL assignment questions. So for 125 MCQs, for one person it is 150, guys. For 5 persons combinedly 500, guys. So this is the mail ID bk179417@gmail.com. If you're confirmed to make the purchase, then definitely mail to me this email ID, guys. The validity will be till the exam results day, and such option is also provided. It will make you easy to revise, right? Now let's move on to the last solution. So for 10th and final question, third option is the probable solution. Yes, we can change or decrease the threshold for length of list 2 in the last if block. So mark third option as the probable solution for 10th question. So that's it guys for this video. So keep supporting us like this. So definitely share this video and definitely like the video guys, and please share this within your with your friends and classmates in your unofficial WhatsApp college groups. So definitely subscribe our channel for more updates and do purchase this PDF MCQs pack guys. So that's it guys for this video. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.